Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Class 9, Subject Science, Atomic Structure, Part 3 we are going to discuss. Geometric representation of atomic structure of an element. So last class we discussed mass number and atomic number. Now we are going to write the geometric representation of the atoms. Let me see oxygen. Mass number 16 and atomic number 8. So mass number of neutrons, if you want to find out, mass number minus atomic number. So 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So number of neutron present in oxygen is 8. Number of proton 8, electron 8. So let me write the electronic configuration for oxygen. First cell occupied 2 electrons, 1 and 2. Second cell occupies remaining 6 electrons. So the other cell occupies 8 electrons. Atomic number 8. So 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to write the electronic configuration for the oxygen 2, 6. Valence electron. Let me know about what is valence electron. We can see that there are 6 electrons in the outermost cell of an oxygen atom. These 6 electrons are called valence electrons. So, how many electrons filled in the outermost cell is known as valence electron. The outermost cell of an atom is valence cell, and the electron present in the valence cell is known as valence electron. The chemical properties of elements it decided up to the how much electrons filled in the valence electron. So what is the valence electron? The outermost cell electron filled in that element is known as valence electron. The element with same number of electrons in the valence cell shows similar properties, and with different number of valence electrons shows different chemical properties. Elements which have valence electrons 1, 2, 3 are metals, and 4 to 7 is known as non-metals. Valency. Valency of an element is combining capability of an element with other element. So, and it is equal to the number of electrons take part in the chemical reaction. So, the valence electron is very important to involve in the chemical reactions. Valence of an elements having electrons 1, 2, 3, 4 is we can represent as 1, 2, 3, 4. But valence electron elements will have the electron 5, 6, 7. We have to subtract from 8. So we can get 3, 2, 1 respectively. Because 8 is the number of electrons required by the element to attain stable electronic configuration. Elements having completely filled outermost cell shows zero valency. The electronic configuration of neon is 2, 8. So the outermost cell it is completely filled. So valency for the neon is 0. The neon is an inert gas and it does not react with any other element. Problem 3. Find the valency of magnesium and sulfur. Electronic configuration for the magnesium. So the magnesium atomic number is 12. So when we write 2, 8 and 2. So the valency is 2. The outermost cell electron is completely 2. So the valence is 2. Electronic configuration of sulfur is, atomic number is 16. So 2, 8 and 6. So it is 6 is the valency electron. So we have, when it is 6, 5, 6, 7, we have to subtract from the 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So valency is 2. So we have to write a geometric representation of an atom structure. So hydrogen, atomic number 1. So only one electron can filled in this first cell. Electronic configuration 1, valency also 1. Helium, atomic number 2. So 2 electron can be filled in the same cell. Electronic configuration 2, valence is 0. And lithium, atomic number is 3. So first 2 electron can fill in the first cell, and the other 1 electron can fill in the next cell. So valence is 1. Beryllium, atomic number 4. First 2 electrons first cell can fill, and the second 2 electron can be filled in the other second cell. So valence is 2. Atomic number of boron, 5. So first 2 electron first cell, and the other 3 electron can be in the outermost cell. So valence is 3. Carbon 6, 2, 4. So valence is 4. Nitrogen 7, 2, 5. So the valency is 5, but we have to subtract 8 minus 5. So you will get only 3. So the valence is 3 for nitrogen. And oxygen, atomic number is 8, 2, 6. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So valence is 2. Fluorine 9, 2, 7. So the atomic number valence is 1. 8 minus 7 minus 8 minus 7, 1. Neon 2, 8. So 2, 8. 8 is the outermost cell can be filled electrons. Valence is 0. And 11, 2, 8, 1. So the valence is 1. Magnesium 2, 8, 2. Valence is 2. Outermost cell electron 2. And aluminum 13, atomic number 2, 8, 3. So the outermost cell 3 is the valency. And silicon 14, 2, 8, 4. So the outermost cell electron is 4. So valency is 4. Sulfur, phosphorus 15, atomic number 2, 8, 5. So 8 minus 5, because 8 is the stable electronic configuration. So you will be getting 3. So valence is 3 for phosphorus. Sulfur 8 minus 6, you will get 2. So 2 is the valency for sulfur. 2, 8, 6. Chlorine, atomic number 17, 2, 8, 7. 8 minus 7, 1. So valency is 1. Argon 2, 8, 8. So 0. 8 minus 8, 0. And potassium 19, atomic number 2, 8, 8, 1. So valence is 1. Outermost cell electron is 1. So 1. Calcium 2, 8, 8, 2. So outermost cell electron 2. So it is valence is 2. So when you practice this, children, you can know very clearly. Thank you. Let us see next class.